Welcome at Vicky Okech Tech. Today we are going to look on how you can make your flash to run or to read on the PC or on the computer. Juu kuna mwenye alinunua flash then akatupa juu haikuwa inasoma kwa computer yake. So this is the process or the procedure you are going to follow so that you can ensure that your computer your flash is working or it is reading. So on my hand niko na flash mbili, moja inafanya, hii inafanya, then hii haifanyi. Ukiweka hii haisomeki ama I read or it doesn't indicate in the PC. Then ukiweka hii ina show, then ina read kwa PC yetu. So first we are going to start with this one for to confirm if it is working. So tunakuja tuna plug in, una look where kuna USB port. So yangu iko hapa, then na plug in hivo. After ku plug in utakuja hapa, utakuja hapa kwa PC on your desktop, then you just double click it. After ku double click it itafunguka. So ukikuja hapa tuko na local disk of which ni drive C, then tuko na USB drive D, then tuko na DVD. This one hii ni ya storage ya computer, already imechukua hii drive C. Then tuko na USB of which imechukua drive D, then tuko na DVD inachukua drive E. So ukikuja hapa, ukiklik hapa, you will confirm this flash is working. So from there we want to plug it out so that we can confirm the other one, and we can look on how we can make it to work. So before you plug out, you will come here and eject it first so that it can be safe to kitoa. So from there I'm going to plug this one, hii yenye haifanyi, yenye haisomi. So utakuja hapa kwa the same USB port, then you plug it in there. After ku plug it in, utakuja hapa mali tulikuwa, utakuja tu hapa kwa PC, kwa this my PC here. Unakuja hapa, then you double click. After ku double click itafunguka. Ukiangalia there is difference. Ile ya kwanza ilikuwa inasoma hapa. Hapa unaona kama haisomi, haileti USB. So unaona hapa tuko na local disk C, then hapa tuko na DVD drive E. Lakini ukiangalia flash yetu iko kwa USB port. So utakuja hapa from there ku confirm haiko. Then what are we going to do? You will come to your desktop. Unakuja hapa kwa desktop, sorry. You will come to your keyboard. For example, this is my keyboard. Then you press Windows. Unaona? You long press Windows plus X. Windows X. Okay, press hii ndio ita pop up kwa computer yako ama kwa desktop. After this one ku pop up, you will come back again to your desktop, then you press what? K. After pressing K, you will wait a little bit ifunguke, then utaona computer yako itafunguka. Ikifunguka hii kitu ndio this what is going to appear on your desktop. So from here the next step you are going to follow. Ukiona hapa tuko na disk 0 of which this one is for the storage basic of this one. Hii ndio storage ya the total GB of the computer, then imechukua drive what? Drive C. So this one is disk 1 of which it was supposed to be our flash. Then what we are going to do is this. You will come here kwa hii ya pili, hii disk 1. Utakuja hapa, then you right click there. After ku right click, then this will pop up on your computer. Utaona open, explore, mark partition active, then you will come here, change drive letter and paths. You will click there. After click there, utakuja hapa kwa add. Then after clicking add, utakuja hapa uchague which letter or which drive do you want your USB to be displayed. So for example, because the computer storage has already tayari imechukua drive C, so mi yangu nitaweka ikue drive D. So we'll come here and click D, then you just click okay. You'll just click okay. After kumaliza kurun, you will just minimize this one. Then ukiangalia sasa tuko na local disk C, tuko na USB drive D, tuko na DVD drive E. So ukiona hapa flash yetu ndio hii, haikuwa inafanya, lakini sasa hii inaweza soma hapa kwa PC yetu. So if you click it, you can see hizi ndio vitu zenye ziko ndani. So our flash is now working. So hivyo ndio unaweza make your flash to read on the PC. Thank you so much.